Welcome back to 540 Outdoors. We got in the mail today Monster Bass Bag. We're gonna open it, see what's inside. We have a Tournament 8x Labs little jerkbait. Have a nice spinner bait by Lunker Candy. A Booyah popper. Some Thunderhawk hybrid divers. X-Zone Adrenaline Crawl in the purple shadow. Comes with this little thing. Also has the prices in here. I'll go over that in just a second. Mustad Treble Hooks Red. Pretty cool sticker on a Jack Slap blade. It is tungsten. And then Deep Creek lures there. Also comes in this really nifty bag. I'll probably do a fishing video with that later with this box. But the 8 Lab was $8.29. The Jack Slap here was $7. The Lunker Candy was also $7. Booyah Prank was $10. Deep Creek was $5.50. The X-Zone was $5. These Thunderhawks was $4.50. And the two trebles was $3. Looks like they're gonna be pretty good, you know. The little magazine has some good stuff in it, looks like. Get reading on that. But guys, if you like what you're seeing, go down there, hit subscribe, like, comment, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you later. Peace out, guys.